Today I will show you how to get the craziest glitches in After Effects in literally seconds. As you guys saw in the preview, you have probably seen these crazy glitches that everyone wants to have, but the problem is they are super advanced to make and take hours to create. But that's exactly why I spent over 3 months creating the most ultimate glitch effects, which I have included in my glitch presets pack, which has over 30 drag and drop glitch presets that let you add crazy glitches in literally seconds. I'll have these presets linked in the description, and now let's jump into After Effects and I'll show you how to use them. Alright guys, so in After Effects, I have all of my clips laid out here, and the only things we need to do to add these glitches is we need to press Ctrl+Y, and now we can instantly just go to animation presets, user presets, and click on glitch presets. And here you will see the actual glitch presets, and now just pick any effect that you want. So for example, glitch 19, which is the newest glitch effect that I have made, and you will instantly have this absolutely crazy glitch effect that usually takes hours to create, but since I've already done it for you, you just need to drag and drop it and you will instantly have it just like that. But you can also add glitches at the start. So for example, again, press Ctrl+Y to make a new adjustment layer. So on this part of the adjustment layer, we can add a quick glitch that I love to use for glitch transitions. And it's just a free frame glitch that looks absolutely crazy just like that. It goes by super quick, but it is very popular in a lot of edits and music videos. Alright, let's just keep adding more. We can go between two clips right here and we can press Ctrl+Y. And here as a transition, I'm gonna add one of my favorite effects, which is the glitch one. And this effect is just absolutely amazing as you can see. But to keep going, let's press Ctrl+Y. And here I want to show you my camcorder tape glitch. This effect is super cool, and it is one of the most used effects that I use, and I've seen a lot of you guys love to use it as well. And now let's go even further, press Ctrl+Y. And on this adjustment layer, I want to add a really damage VHS glitch. Yeah, just an absolutely crazy effect, this one. I always want to have these type of effects, but I just never knew how to make them. But then I learned, I took a long time, and I made these effects. And to end it off on this clip, let's press Ctrl+Y, and I'm going to add the glitch 14. And glitch 14 looks absolutely ridiculous. I mean, as you can see, it is just one of the best glitches I've ever made. And here we go, guys. We have made this absolutely dope sequence super quickly, by the way. I mean, I just absolutely love these glitches. So as you guys saw, I wasn't joking. These are literally the best glitch presets you could possibly get in After Effects. And just because you're watching this video here, you're going to be getting an exclusive discount code, which is going to be glitch7, and this code will save you $7 off on the glitch presets pack. So if you're serious about editing and want to level up your glitches, check out the link below to get the glitch presets pack.